Hi everybody, today let's join Captain Discovery as we explore the secret behind the door of one of the largest ice cream factories in the world. Have you ever wondered how the ice cream we eat was born? Today's video will answer your questions. The journey of ice cream begins in the 5th century BC with the Persians, who invented a prototype by mixing snow with fruit and juice. This early form of ice cream was later enhanced when Marco Polo, the renowned Italian explorer and merchant, brought ice cream making techniques from China to Europe in the 13th century. European immigrants carried their ice cream traditions to America in the 18th century, where it quickly became a delicacy among the upper class. By the 19th century, technological advancements, such as hand-cranked ice cream machines, made ice cream more accessible to the general public, solidifying its place as a beloved American dessert. So, what's inside the ice cream factory? One, ingredient preparation. Upon arrival at the ice cream factory, raw ingredients including milk, cream, sugar, stabilizers, and flavorings are meticulously inspected. Quality control staff check for freshness, proper packaging, and compliance with safety standards. To ensure the high quality of the final product, any inferior or non-compliant ingredients are discarded. Two, mixing and pasteurization. Once approved, these ingredients are precisely measured and blended according to a specific formula. Large mixers equipped with agitators thoroughly combine the ingredients to ensure a uniform texture and flavor. These industrial mixers can handle up to 1,200 liters per hour.
In this regard, in this process, all of your raw ingredients, so you can put raw milk, raw cream, sugar here, you're creating your base, and it's basically bringing it up to a certain temperature, holding it at that temperature, and then sending it down through the next piece of equipment here.
The mixture is then heated to 160 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes to pasteurize it, killing bacteria and activating the stabilizers. 3. Homogenization. The mixture undergoes homogenization, resulting in a smooth ice cream texture.
And if you look down in the top here, you'll see that it's piston driven. So this is a larger unit. You've got 2 pistons in here that are basically pushing that mix down through a 1 micron opening. So as the mix gets fed into this way, it pushes the mix down through there, a violent aspiration on the other side, and it equalizes and basically makes all of the fat globules in this mixture as we're going through the process all equal. So you don't have any separation while you're making ice cream. You don't have any of your mix separating out in the fat content while you're making your ice cream.
The heat exchanger then cools the mixture rapidly, from 160 degrees Fahrenheit to 38 degrees Fahrenheit, before it's transferred to large storage tanks. 4. Flavoring. Flavorings such as vanilla, chocolate, salted caramel, or peppermint are added to impart distinctive tastes. Large tanks with gentle stirring mechanisms ensure the even distribution of these flavors throughout the mixture. 5. Freezing. The well-mixed flavored ice cream base is then fed into a continuous freezer, where it quickly freezes, forming small ice crystals that contribute to its smooth texture.
It's cranking out 400 liters an hour. Their largest model does 1,500 liters an hour. Now that's at 100% overrun. So that's basically if you've got 60 liters of product coming through the system.
Six. Molding. After freezing, the ice cream is pumped into containers or molded into various shapes. The factory produces many types of ice cream such as popsicles and canned ice cream with a variety of flavors. This automatic filling machine dispenses cream with filling and aggregates with an adjustable filling volume between 50 milliliters and 1 liter. They are capable of creating 3,800 boxes of ice cream per hour. It is then placed into a spiral freezer at negative 39 degrees Fahrenheit. After further cooling, the core temperature of the ice cream reaches negative 10 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring it is firm yet creamy. Seven. Packaging and quality control. Automatic filling and sealing machines ensure each container has the correct amount of ice cream, maintaining its density and freshness. Ice cream is packaged on the production line before being placed into cartons. Product information and branding labels are applied to the cartons before they are moved to a storage freezer. Eight. Storage and distribution. A final quality check is conducted before the products are stored at negative 20 degrees Celsius. Special refrigerated trucks ensure timely delivery of the ice cream to retailers, preserving its quality through distribution. Thanks for exploring the ice cream production process with us. If you're amazed by the blend of technology and craftsmanship we showcased, like, share, and comment your thoughts below. Don't forget to subscribe to Captain Discovery for more interesting journeys.